Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. I made this video to help you translate either or and neither nor. I'll give you some examples of when to use each one. Now, before we go any further, I just want to remind you that you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's a short ebook that's packed with tips and tricks on how to sound like a native French speaker. Now, in order to translate either or, it's not difficult, you just repeat the same word twice. You can say soit and soit, or ou and ou. Let me show you. Soit tu rentres à 10 heures, soit tu restes à la maison. You either come back by 10 or you stay in. So you see the soit is at the beginning of each phrase here. Either you come back by 10 or you stay at home. Bon, ou tu sors ou tu rentres, mais laisse cette porte fermée. Right, you either go out or you come in, but keep this door shut. Here you can use ou instead of soit, but equally you could have used soit. It doesn't really make much difference. In English you would say you either go out or you come in, but in French it's either you go out or you come in, always at the beginning. C'est très calme ici. Les enfants sont soit morts, soit endormis. This is a bit sarcastic, by the way. It's very quiet in here. The kids are either dead or asleep. Then you've got neither nor, which to be fair is no more difficult. You just repeat ni and ni. Je n'ai ni faim ni soif. I'm neither hungry nor thirsty. Vous n'êtes ni le premier ni le dernier. You are neither the first nor the last. Ils sont partis, ni vu ni connu. This is an expression, ni vu ni connu. Here it means they left on the sly, or really discreetly, and nobody saw them. So whenever you want to convey the meaning of doing something on the sly, you use ni vu ni connu, which really literally means neither seen nor known. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt!